In today's video, you will learn a tea recipe to help you relax in case of insomnia. Do you sleep well or do you suffer from insomnia? Have you ever heard that a good night's sleep cures any problem? Have you ever asked yourself why it is necessary to sleep well? When we talk about health, poor sleep can increase heart diseases, heart failure, high blood pressure, stroke, and diabetes. Some people say it even lowers sexual drive. Did you know that? Even knowing how important sleep is, many people still can't rest at night because they just can't fall asleep easily. Did you know that stress and anxiety are the main reasons for poor sleep? When you are stressed or anxious, your brain doesn't stop for a single second, putting you into a constant state of alertness. However, chamomile and apple tea can help you. Did you know? Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. This tea has relaxing and slightly sedative effects that help treat insomnia and also fight anxiety and nervousness. Besides, this tea can help reduce cramps and muscle spasms during periods. Isn't it great? Write down the ingredients. 1 cup concentrated tea made with 1 tablespoon of chamomile, 1/2 apple sliced thick. How to do it? Make a chamomile tea, letting the herb boil for 5 minutes. Remove from heat and close it for 10 minutes. Pour the chamomile tea and the apple slices in a blender and blend. Strain it and it is ready. How to drink this chamomile and apple tea? It is recommended to drink 1 or 2 cups of this tea 1 hour before sleeping every day. Also, make sure your room is quiet, comfortable, and dark to ensure the tea works as expected and you have a good night's sleep. Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.